You might hear the term dark pool in financial news. Let us break down what these private trading venues actually do. A dark pool is a private forum for trading securities that is not accessible to the general public. Roughly 40% of all stock trading happens away from public exchanges, like the New York Stock Exchange. Institutional investors use them to trade large blocks of stock without alerting the market and causing the price to move against them. Public exchanges prioritize visibility for everyone, while dark pools prioritize privacy for large institutional orders. The market is split between public exchanges and private pools, ensuring both retail and institutional needs are met. It is a common misconception that they are inherently shady. They are regulated entities overseen by the SEC. Understanding these venues helps you see the full picture of how markets operate. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.